Welcome back, viewers. Today, we will be taking a look at this week's Discord market analysis. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be taking a look at this week's Discord market analysis. Before we do though, I wanted to go ahead and put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 290 indicators. And out of those 290 indicators, 114 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 114 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, as I said, in this video, we're going to do something a little bit different. So starting from now on, at the end of the week, either on Saturday or Sunday's video, we are going to go back and take a look at the market analysis that we did on the Discord channel, or the Discord server, I guess I should say. And so for those of you who don't know, on our Discord server, we have a specific channel that is for our patrons, and it is the Patreon only channel. Within that channel, we give a lot of information and we do some market analysis throughout the week. And so let me first start off by saying that there are quite a few of the members on the Patreon only channel, some of the senior members that also do market analysis, as well as primarily our current admin, Jay. Now, Jay is the only one that I've specifically spoke with about doing consistent market analysis every single week. The rest of the senior members, they just kind of do it out of the kindness of their heart. And I haven't spoke with any of them specifically about doing the market analysis. And I don't want them to feel obligated that they have to do that for the Discord in general, or even the Patreon only channel, which is why I'm not specifically mentioning them in these videos. Now, if they want to do it, that is 100% awesome. And I love the fact that they help out. And some of them do, kind of give regular market analysis as to what is going on. But again, Jay, our admin, is primarily the only one that I've specifically spoke with who has assured me that each week he will do market analysis for us on the Patreon only channel. And at some point, I'll probably start doing some of my own. And so the goal of this video is to go back and look at the pips that were gained by Jay's market analysis throughout the last week's trading, and to take a look at a couple of the trades that he took. So let's jump over here. I'm going to jump onto, this is the Discord server here. This is a sneak peek into the Patreon only channel that we have. And if you're interested in joining this channel, there is always a link down below in the description. It's super cheap, doesn't cost very much. You get tons and tons of wealth of information out of this channel. And so the first one that we are going to look at here is, and I'm going to actually zoom in on this a little bit so that way it's a tad bit easier to see. So right here is the first one that we're going to look at. Again, we're not going to review all the analysis that he did, but these particular analysis points that he laid out here, they were on the 6th of this last month. You can see here that it was stamped with a date, and this particular one is the one we're looking at here. You can see that it was 9:18 a.m. On April 6th. And so here is the analysis that Jay did. He said that the Euro New Zealand here was the downtrend trend line has been broken, a huge bullish spike here, and that this would be a buy that he would be looking to get into. And so let's jump over to the chart now, and you can see here the analysis that he did and all the trend line that he drew. So let's jump over here and let's look at the Euro New Zealand. He does all of his analysis on the 8-hour time frame, and so this is an 8-hour chart right here that we're looking at. And I have marked the point right here with this green line. This is the close of this big candle that took place right here, right as he was posting this this market analysis that he was taking. And so you can see here that he pointed out how we had this move right here, and it was starting to bounce back up this way, and this was the point right here where he said he was going to go long. And so we can see here that almost immediately this thing spiked up, hit about 150 pips before it started to pull back a little bit, and it's still sitting up here really decent. And let's look at another one here. I believe it's this one here. Yep, so it's going to be this one here. Again, you can see this was on the 4th, and it was at 9:26 a.m. And Jay said here that he's also going to take this short right here. It looked like it flipped into a state where it should only look for shorts. And so you can see again here, a lot of trend lines, different analysis that he drew up on the chart displayed for everybody. You can note this big red candle right here. That was when he called out this trade. And you can see right here, this is the moment right here. That big red candle right there is the one that he called out. He was going to go short on that right there. And so you can see that it came down, did kind of like this, and was starting to make this strong, big pullback on this big candle right here. And that right there, sorry, let me get off of this drawing tool. That right there almost immediately dropped out and hit right about 170 pips and is still going pretty strong. And so at this point of the end of the week, the kind of total pips that was locked in for this last particular week was right around 100 pips, and the Jay had about 200 pips still kind of running. All in all, for the last 2 weeks, the analysis on the channel here that he specifically only posts here on the Patreon only channel has nailed or locked in about 700 pips altogether. And so again, this is the point where legally I have to say that trading is very risky. You should never blindly follow anyone, whether it be me, whether it be Jay, or anybody. You should never jump in on trades unless you are confident that it is something that you have the ability to make money on, and you have to do your own research and your own analysis as well. But this is a great opportunity because market analysis like that really paints a picture of the ideal market conditions that you should be looking for as a new trader or someone who it may not be very experienced in the market. These are the ideal conditions that you need to be looking for that should also be fitting in with your systems or your analysis that can really paint an amazing picture for when you should be getting into these particular opportunities. And so even though we would never suggest that you blindly follow anyone in trading, the information that you get from this type of analysis can honestly is just priceless. And so again, each week we will update on a video like this at the end of the week, and we will take a look at a few of the trades that Jay posted. And, if some of the other senior members or someone else gets a little bit more involved in doing market analysis, may throw up some of their trades as well. But again, currently we're concentrating just kind of on Jay's analysis. And again, at some point I'll start doing my own as well. And we can kind of keep track of, the rolling tally of how many pips we're gaining by our analysis that we're posting to the Patreon only channel here on the Discord server. All right, so we're getting to the point to where we are about to wrap up this video. Once again, I can't thank the members on our Discord enough for the information that they provide and the things that they do. Everybody on the Discord is a wonderful, amazing point of reference and information. But then we especially have the senior members, people like Jay and some of the other members, Sasquatch, stuff like that. They're just outstanding at providing information and different kinds of analysis, and just providing a wealth of information for those of you who may be struggling to kind of get your footing in trading, or those of you who may kind of have your footing but might need a little bit of extra boost to kind of boost up your trading or get a better idea of the area you need to be in. This is definitely the place you need to be, and the people you need to be talking to and looking at how they're doing their analysis, and kind of following along as they're doing their analysis to see if their analysis again is matching up with the things that you are getting from your signals, your systems, your way of trading. And so if you can find a common theme between the two, where your system and your analysis is meeting up and matching up with people like Jay and Sasquatch, some of the other members of the channel, then you will know that your system really has the ability to produce really decent profits. So if you're really interested in this stuff, again, hop on here, join our Patreon channel, throw out some information, ask Jay whatever you want. Super awesome, nice guy, like everybody else on the channel, is really willing to answer questions and help people out. So, all right, like I said, we're going to wrap this video up so that way it doesn't get any longer from here. The next video from here, we will jump back into some indicator testing from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon, and support the channel the best way you can.